Hi there. Welcome to the introduction video for the 365 QA app. During the video, we will briefly give you a demo on how the 365 QA app works. After the app is installed in your Teams app, you can open the app and ask it any questions. Just like this, I ask how I create a signature in Outlook. It will provide me a link to a Microsoft support page. Another example, can I recover a deleted file in Teams? Once the app has answered my question, I can click on the solution link. Likely you will find the answer on the Microsoft support page, like here below. In a premium version of the app, you can connect the 365 QA app to a custom knowledge base. If you want to use this, please visit our website for more information. I hope this gives you an idea on how the 365 QA app works, how it will help you and your users to find an answer without having to search it themselves on the internet. Thank you.